Hello guys, welcome back to Anything Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you or discuss with you Linktree tutorial. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So for us to get started, we first have to go to linktree.ee. Now in this case, if you don't have the link itself or don't want to type the Linktree URL here, you could go ahead and go to Google and just type in Linktree and you'll be able to see the link itself. Now once in their website, what we need to do here is we need to first sign up. So signing up with Linktree is actually for free, so go ahead and click on the sign up free button here at the top right. And from here, you'll be redirected into the login or sign up page. Now in this case, if you want to use your Google account or your Apple account, you could go ahead and use that, or you could go ahead and manually create those. But in this case, since I want to use my Google, let's choose Google here, choose our Google account, and from here it's going to use that account. Now from here it's going to ask us to enter our Linktree username. Now in this case, I want to use this one, and from here let's go ahead and click on continue. And from here, it's going to ask us to tell us about ourselves. So in this case, we want to basically tell us our name. From here, we want to select a category that best describes your Linktree. Like for example, if you're doing this for creative, choose creative. And from here, we have the creative category. So for example, crafts or visual arts. Let's go ahead and click on continue. And from here, you'll be able to choose a plan that you want to use. Now in this case, they have a plan here that is including the unlimited links and link apps, click and views for the past 28 days, and collect payment tips and donations. So let's go ahead and click on the free plan here and just click on the join for free. Now if you want to use the paid plans there, go ahead, but for now let's go ahead and choose free. Now from here, we need to choose our appearance. So let's go ahead and choose our appearance here. If, for example, we want to use blue here as our background. So we're currently editing it. Now in this case, we also have our theme. So for example, Lake Black here, or spray if you want to use that. So for now, let's go ahead and choose the Lake Black here and just hit on continue. And from here, it's going to continue to the next page wherein we'll be able to add some links. Now in this case, it's going to ask us to enter our username or URL. So for now, we could go ahead and enter our username here. Now once you've entered your URL or username, go ahead and click on add here. And from here, as you can see, we were able to add our YouTube. Now in this case, since we added this one, let's go ahead and click on continue to complete the onboarding process here. Now we are now redirected into the main UI or admin page for Linktree. Now in this case, if you want to add different links here, what you need to do here is just click on add link again, and from here you could go ahead and choose from the following interests. Like for example, if you have a TikTok video, if you have a X account, or other type of addresses here. Like for example, we want to add another link for example X account. So in here, let's go ahead and paste our URL and just click on add. And from here, it's going to load up. And as you can see, the link itself is going to be added here. It's a link off to X website. So you can go ahead and use that. Now you also have to change a layout here, like for example, featured if you want to use that, or the classic option here. Now once you've done that, what we need to do next is change a few things. Like for example, let's go back to link settings here. We also have the option to add a thumbnail if you want to add your thumbnail. Like for example, let's go ahead and set a thumbnail here. You could upload your own or choose from the tabular icons here if you use that. If you want to use that, for example, we want to maybe use this following icon here, or search for it. Like for example, we want to say Twitter. And from here, click on it. And for example, you will be able to see the icon itself. Now here, you also have the prioritize if you want to prioritize this one. But for now, let's just use another one, which is the schedule here. So schedule when your links or notifications go live, but you need the upgraded plan for that. We also have the lock here that says visitors can only access the link by fulfilling certain criteria. Like for example, subscribing, date of birth, sensitive content, or NFT contract address. Now we also have the analytics for this one. And this case is going to give us the clicks that we have on that specific link. Now in this case, if you're satisfied, you could go ahead and just basically start arranging it, or basically adjusting anything that you need to adjust here. Now in this case, if you want to reposition your links here, what you need to do here is press and hold on the dotted icons here, and as you can see, we were able to drag it in here, and YouTube should be the first link that you see here. Now from here, what we need to do next is basically be creative on your Linktree. Now Linktree is really useful if you want to plug your other channels, like for example, if you have like a Instagram account, a Facebook account, an X account, or like for example TikTok as well. Well, Linktree is the way to go. Now from here, if you want to share your Linktree, what you need to do is just click on the share at the top right, and from here you have the option to add to your socials, share my Linktree to, and from here you have Snapchat, Facebook, LinkedIn, or share on X. Now we also have other options here like QR code, share a profile picture, or open your Linktree or the link that you see here. Now from here you go ahead and just share this and you should be good. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.